So to solve 11, the first thing we want to do, we want to figure out these inside angle measures that are inside this triangle right here. Right? Because then you can say, hey, this is an exterior angle. If I can find out what these two are, I just need to add them to figure out what that is. Okay? And I'll tell you what, on the test tomorrow, on the test it looks different. On the test it just looks like this. I'm gonna erase this real quick. Remember what that one is. And what that one is. On the test it just looks like that. It just gives you one letter and it says find it. Okay. And I can't remember what that was. Okay. So on the test, it only asks you to find one thing. But on the paper on the review that I gave you guys, it's actually asking you to find these ones also. Now I asked you to find these because you have to find these in order to find that one. But on the test, it's just going to have this one. So watch. And again, you'll be able to see it on the review or the practice test. To find out the measure angle Y, these two angles are linear. It's a linear pair. So I can just remove this over. I can just take 180 and subtract 89 to figure out that this inside one is 91 degrees. And the same thing down here. I know these two make a linear pair. How do I know they make a linear pair? Because they're on a line thing. It's two angles and they form a flat line. So to find out what Z is, just do 180 minus 129, and that's 51. So I'll put 51 in here. Z is 51. That's 51, not an I. And then again on the test, all you're going to need to put is the numbers. You don't have to put the degree sign. So now if you look, I'm just going to redraw my picture because we got a little crowded in there. This is 91. This is 51. This is X. Figure out what X is. Remember, X is the outside, it's the exterior angle. Figure out what X is. You just take and add the two non-adjacent angles inside the triangle. That should be 51. Basically, whatever angle is not next to it, add them. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 9 plus 5 is 14. There you go. X is 142. That's the fastest way to solve it. There is another way. I'm going to show you a different way for number 12. But that's the faster way. I'll give you a second. All right. Let me get my calculator ready. Which is fast with the calculator. So again, what you have to notice is these make a linear pair. So to figure out Y, it's 180 minus 88. So Y is 92. I'm just going to put 92 up here. And then to figure out Z, you do 180 minus 127. So Z is 53. And then again, I said I'm going to solve this one. I'm going to solve this one different. What I'm going to do is figure out this angle in here, right? And I know, and you know, this is a triangle. The three angle measures have to equal 180. If you take out the two you know, you'll be left with the inside one, or the one that's missing. And now that I figured out that this one's 35, guess what? Those two make a linear pair. 180 minus 35, and that's the value of x. 145. Guess what you get when you add these two? Big surprise. Big surprise.